My name is Rebecca Stock-DeRubio, and I work as a digital stylist for Neiman Marcus and Bergdorf Goodman. Today I just wanted to go over some best practices for working from home. Obviously the most important thing is keeping a routine. So I just worked out and showered and got myself ready. I'm wearing head-to-toe Neiman Marcus right now. I have on my Princeton Gucci loafers, Alice and Olivia jeans, which I love, and a men's Gucci t-shirt. I also have on this amazing Dolce & Gabbana Di Martino set that comes with pasta apron. And today I just wanted to show you a really quick and easy way to use whatever is in your fridge or in your freezer and make an omelet. So I have frozen kale, and I have frozen mushrooms, and I already have my onion all cut up, and actually I put all my ends of my onion into a little box here that I stick in the freezer along with other veggie ends, and I'm gonna use this later on in the week to make a broth. And so basically, you know, zero waste is super important right now. I have these peppers here that, as you can see, there's very little on there, but I'm gonna use these to make my omelet. So I have the heat going. I'm gonna add some ghee, which is my favorite fat to add to any egg or omelet. You can go ahead and start to add your vegetables. So I'm gonna cut off these little bits of pepper that are over here. And we are gonna make this super tasty using honestly anything that you have in your fridge. You can use broccoli, you can use carrots, you can use sweet potatoes. It really doesn't matter. And what's so great about making omelets is that you really don't need a lot of ingredients. You just need a little bit of a couple different things, which is great for us. Then you're gonna wanna take your eggs and you're gonna wanna whisk them up really good. I love to add a little bit of water to my eggs because it keeps them nice and fluffy, so I'm going to do that. And then you just whisk that in. All the veggies that you can eat, anything that you have. I also just remembered that I have some leftover parsley from the night before, so I'm going to actually use some of that. Parsley is a really great way to fight viruses naturally. It actually helps fight bacteria in your mouth. So anytime you can add parsley to something, do it. And then I'm gonna take the ends of these parsley pieces and I'm gonna add them into my soup stock for later. Alrighty, and just like that, your omelet is done and you are ready to eat and start your day. And don't forget to hashtag #NMTogether so we can all stay in touch and let each other know how we are keeping our cool in this situation. So go enjoy your omelet with anything that you can find in your fridge or in your freezer. Bye.